Okay, first thing to show you is that the tubs come with the film seal, and this keeps the moisture of the cleaning solution in there. They're a good size wipe, so they are 20 centimetres by 30 centimetres, fully impregnated, and so a nice strong wipe. All three at once: grease, paint, the sticky sealant, all in there. Let's rub it all in. So I'm just going to let the solution break up the mixture of silicone, adhesive, paint and grease, and the solution again, just lifting it gently off the hand. Aloe vera, keeping your hand soft and safe.
So easy.
So easy. And I'm just going to use the textured surface area of the wiper to collect all that debris straight off my skin. No rough. It's not breaking up my skin at all.
No. That's amazing.
There we are. What
What
about
a
that?
great product.